Welcome to Future Automation, guys. This is Git part 2 for initial Git and push my fast code. Today I'll be show you this. This is Jaman. This is my GitHub repository URL. Also, if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe my Future Automation YouTube channel. So today I'll be show you this how to really use this whatever last video, how to create the how we create the repository, and after that we have to know how to use it. So guys, follow step by step, but this is for basic who don't know at all about GitHub and who is learning this learning purpose. Again, I'm not talking about who are advanced or who are already skilled for Git. This video not for them. This video only for who are the the student who are the learning purpose and learning for beginner. This is good. I think this is for them. So now guys, let's go. For that, you need any kind of code to push. I mean, I have existing framework, and if you don't have any existing framework, please feel free to go my Future Automation channel. I'm going to show you guys where Future Automation channel, YouTube. You can sign in and I'm gonna go Future Automation my channel. If I go my channel, and you will see over here, if you go Future Automation, you will see here playlist. So go to the Selenium page object model. Over here, hello guys, you will be see my video, which is the Maven project step by steps. So follow this video and you will be have your own framework. So that's it, guys. So let's show you how to do it. From beginning, you need to create a one folder anywhere, but I like document folder, so I'm going to use the document folder. Go to the document, and I'm gonna go workspace where I have all those things. I mean workspace, so you can create a whatever. I have bunch of folder, guys. Don't worry. I'm getting a new folder. Folder name I will be give you Git. So my all of the work will be I will be saved here. So now I have few work I will open from here. So go to the I'm going to my Eclipse. And why I need this folder, you guys will be know when I will be there, step by steps. I will be tell you why you need create some folder where you're going to save your work. Example, if you edit new framework, or your work will be saved here. So now over here, Jenkins document, I'm going to say is now when you open that, I'm going to keep this to here. So I'm going to create document and my workspace somewhere here. Let's find out workspace. Not here, not here. Workspace. Come on, workspace. Okay, what is hiding? Okay, workspace. When you go workspace, Git practice. I'm gonna select this. So now in my Eclipse, I'm giving the okay, I want to save my work here in the Git practice. Okay, I'll launch it. When I launch it, it's gonna open somewhere here. Okay, it's opening my Eclipse. So there is no project here. I'm gonna import my existing project. Okay, I'm gonna file, new, and somewhere Maven. If you don't have Maven, go to the over here and you will find out Maven module and Maven project. So I'm going to Maven project, and back up. I should guys, that's my bad. Sorry, I'm not creating one. I'm going to import file, import Maven existing project. Okay, and I'm gonna go next. Now I'm gonna browse. Where is my project there? I think my project is in the document somewhere here, and let's see current workspace. I have nothing have there. I'm not sure who I put. I mean, whatever you have framework, if you have one, just open one. I'm looking my one. So Jenkins, okay, that's a Jenkins. I have Selenium Jenkins. So I'm gonna see. Yes, this is my. So I'm gonna choose Selenium Jenkins and open and finish. So this project I have. I mean, with Selenium Jenkins, I have the existing project I'm going to use for Git. If you have one, use your one. If you don't have one, just create one. Okay, that's great. So now I have there. So now I'm going to do some changes over here. Okay, because I want to make sure that. So I'm not going to change that one. I'm going to do it later. So now I have a here. So now you will be see when you have the Git. If I go to the Git again, I'm going to the GitHub account, which is my account, github.com, and I create a new repositories. Yeah. So which one? Future IT Vision Git. This repository. There is a instruction is here. Okay. The instructions are what I have to do. Before that, I have to make sure that my folder where is my work saving. So this folder is init with the Git. How are you going to do that? Open your terminal. After opening terminal, just go to this folder. So I have my document. So the CD documents and after document is, I believe, workspace. After workspace, what is the name I provide? Put the ls. So I provide Git practice. Okay, so I'm going to put the CD Git practice. Okay, so Git practice. So I'm in the Git practice. Okay, if I say ls, I have nothing there. Okay, I have nothing there because we didn't change anything. This work is not going to save there unless you save anything. So I'm going to Jenkins test. So I have this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I can just copy and paste one here. Okay, and Jenkins test 2 for saving purpose, just changing the name, guys. You don't have to follow. If you have one, don't change it, don't do this. Just you want to change something because you want to save those work in the new folder. That's why. So Command S. If you have Windows, just go save button from here. Anything save button is here. Just you can save it. So work is saved. So now I'm going to the GitHub. Now if I say ls now, it's not showing anything. I'm not sure why it's not showing. Let's see why it's not showing. Let's see what's going on. So let's save again, Command S, and let's show what's going on. If I put the ls, okay, now it's showing. I mean, was not saving, not taking time. So now, guys, my framework is there, and it's imported. Now go over here. Come on here. I'm just cleaning this, and now I'm gonna put the I want to make sure that this is Git accessible or not. So I'm gonna put the Git status. So no Git repository. I mean, this folder don't know about Git repository at all. So what we're gonna do, we just make the init the Git repository. So we put the Git init. Okay. So now initialized empty Git repository. So this is initialized already. So now this is our Git repository, which is initialized. So now this folder know what is this. Still, if I put the Git status again, so now it's gonna show, okay, there is some work you did, okay, but still didn't add and commit. So before add and commit, what you gonna do? So you can put follow the command which is already in terminal, in here, which is the push existing repository command line. What this is, so you have to do use this first line, copy and go to the command line. Okay, so when I commanderize git remote, that looks good, add it. Okay, so now they don't asking me for username password because I already have username password which already permission my laptop. So now guys, when you use this URL and put the enter, they will be ask your username. Provide your username or which is email you provide in GitHub, and when you enter it, it will be show password. So enter the password, enter, that should be okay. After that, copy this one, but don't use this one right now. I'm going to show you why. Now I know I have this git and command K, and now again see the git status is still red. So what is saying here, just to see just carefully take a look over here, the use add to track. Okay, so I'm going to use up to the add command. So it's a git add space dot, it will be add all your work you done. So is adding warning, this original line ending in a work directory. Okay, received by LF. Okay, now if I say git status, let's see what happened. Okay guys, so you see over here there is no more red, and all they're showing that they add those things in my workspace, local workspace. Okay, so now it's modified. Yes, I deleted something before, maybe that's why showing, so you don't have to worry about that. We should not worry about this. So now you git add, now saying what you already git add, so to update that will be committed. Okay, so I have to commit this. Okay, change not stage for commit. So if you commit, it will be not changes, better is committed. So it's git co commit, minus or dash, whatever it says, and m space double quotation, put the message, any kind of message you want. This is like, this is my first commit, this is my first commit guys. So it's committing. So now we'll see everything looks good over here. Okay, so now no more green, no more red, that means all the commit you did looks good. So now what do I have to do? So now let's go see my over here. So I have this work, I'm going to push this work in now my GitHub. Before that guys, I have to show you one things. Command K for clean. One thing guys, you should know that git represents the tree. Git represents tree. The one tree have, think about the real life tree, they have a lot of branches, but one branch is master branch, the top of the tree always. Am I right? So now the tree, the git follow the tree structure. So now if you say git branch, tree have only branches. Am I right? So if you're going to show that what kind of branch you have, by default the GitHub create master branch by default, always when you get master branch, but we don't have any other branches. So now we're gonna, because the first time we're not creating branch, second video I'll be show you how to create a branch, all those things, a third video, but now I'm showing how to push code in the master branch. So now over here guys, I have already there, they show what kind of command you have to use. Copy it and enter. You see guys, your code is now pushing it to the GitHub, which is cloud, code management tool. You don't have to worry to lose your code. Your machine is lost, your machine is someone is stolen, I don't have to worry about code. You just save in cloud, which is the GitHub, and buy new machine and just git pull. That's it. So now our code in GitHub successfully pushed over here is showing. So now if you go to the GitHub, refresh this page, so no more command. So cannot retrieve. This is some other problem. We will take a look later. This time this Selenium Jenkins, my framework is there. I mean, create your framework, simple framework, and push it. Okay, guys. So now what do you know? This is kind of let's recap it. So we know how to create, how to push code into the GitHub. For that reason, what we did, we create a simple directory here in document, which is inside the workspace, git practice. You guys also create one folder, and I use my existing framework or code. You can use your existing one, or if you don't use existing one, create a new one. So if you want to use existing one, copy from somewhere and open it and put inside it, just paste it, and then go to your Eclipse and file, import from Maven existing project. When you go there, and they're gonna ask you your folder, which folder. Go to the document, I mean your workspace. So go to workspace over here, and the git practice, and this is a Selenium, whatever project you are, just select it and open. They should be open. That's it. Okay, guys. So now after that, change something inside, which we did. Example, I added some example. Let's cancel it. Cancel. I added some new test cases. Copy paste. So and save it. And then what I said, I go to the command line where I redirect to this git practice folder, and you just git practice folder, write down git status. When you say git status, you'll be see your what is the updated now, or is the problem, they will be let you know, and follow the step by step whatever I told you in this video, and then you will be successfully push your code in GitHub like that. So now this is our first push. From next video I'll be show you how to create a branch, how to go push the code from the branch. That's it for today, guys. See you soon. If you like my video, if you have any concern, any problem, any issue, feel free to comment in the YouTube subscription, YouTube future activation video section, in the comment section. Just comment it and I will be responsive as soon as possible, and you will find a code over here. If you don't have any code, just go GitHub future activation, download the any framework and upload it, and push to the GitHub again in your repository. Thank you so much, and see you soon, and guys, with third video. That's it for